chicken off the smoker. This one went with cherry and apple. Hello, Chef here with a real quick demonstration video for you today. I've got this whole chicken. Thing is huge. Weighs in at over 4 pounds. It's gigantic. I want to show you real quickly how to remove the backbone. We'll actually cut this into 8 pieces here. Right down the middle, right down the breast. Like that. Open it up. Remove the kidneys, the giblets, the heart, whatever comes in there, all the good stuff. This, of course, is going right into my chicken stock bag. Watch the other videos and you'll see what I keep in the freezer. Onions, garlic, carrots, celery, all the trimmings. We're going to take this backbone out real quick like this. And on the other side. Just like that. It takes a little effort and you got it. Of course, that goes right in the stock bag in the freezer. Two half chickens. At this point we remove the leg and thigh. Repeat. Quarter chicken. On a very large breast like this, over a pound, I suggest breaking it in the middle. Always find where the joint connects. Perfect. And there we have a perfect 8 cut chicken. 2 breasts, 2 wing breast pieces, 2 thighs, 2 legs. Oh yeah, search the channel for all kinds of recipes. This one's going to turn into barbecue. There's coq au vin, there's chicken with rice, there's all kinds of chicken recipes on the channel. Subscribe right here. Share the video. It's going to be good. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product a little thicker that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay. And we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled. And I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm almost done. Alright. So, that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the Butcher Blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's going to be good. Good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.